Hello everyone, Rob from Field Sports with Speed, and on this video you join us in the hide after some corvids on an incredibly windy day. It felt like some of these birds were wearing bulletproof jackets, and we did struggle at times. You will see how some birds would just hover into the wind and change their direction in the blink of an eye. The heavy wind made it impossible to talk about what went on throughout the day, so apologies for that. We built a hide, placed the decoys in small groups on the field, got ourselves sat comfortably in the hide, and it wasn't long before the action began. Fizzy. I didn't shake it up that much.
Drink some and fucking shake it up.
Yeah, if they quarter in off that left hand hedge over our left shoulder, that'll be alright. Look it down again. That took all 3 shots, that little drifty bugger. Down the side of it. Oh, that wind's getting up even stronger now, isn't it? Well guys, I didn't perform to my best on this day, as you've probably well seen, but there's a reason for that. The crows were hard. In that wind, they were gliding and drifting angles that you'd never normally see. A big part of this was to do with my technique. I like to come through the back of a bird, swing through and shoot it. But on this day, because it was so windy, if you come through the back of a bird, went in front and shot, it had changed direction. So your lead was going nowhere near the bird. So what I did to change this was I started to spot shoot a little bit quicker. I don't spot shoot very well, but I made it work on this day. You've got to be really quick, really short windows. You've got to see that bird, get to it and shoot it, because if you spend too long on the bird, it will change and you will miss it. Shot. Oh!
He's been out there, hasn't he?
Cool, yeah, that took a delay on that shot, didn't it?
Yeah, fucking nice.
God, watch that go straight through him. He ain't going far. Is that him coming round again? Oh, that's like a grouse. Is that the same bird?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, fuck.
And you swap birds, didn't you?
Swap birds, moron. You now. Bulletproof. Another thing I did was I actually changed my chokes. Whereas I'd normally use a half and half choke, I actually changed to a 5/8/5/8 choke. I did this just as a trial and error thing, really, just playing with choke, seeing if I'd actually found the exact choke that worked really well through my combination of gun, choke and cartridge. It didn't pan out. Maybe it was me, I don't know. Maybe it was because it was so windy, it didn't work very well. But I've got confidence in the gun, I've got confidence in the cartridge because I've shot them both for years. The only difference was the choke, and it didn't perform as well as I'd thought it would do. I did change back to my half and half choke, and the results were instantly better. So that goes to show that I've now got absolute confidence in my combination of my gun, my cartridge and my choke. They work well, stick to it, don't change it. That's what I'm going with from now on.
That choke's much better now.
That was a lot better.
Much better that choke.
God, that hurt it, didn't it? Nice.
See, when it hits them now, it's
Hard, isn't it?
what's that? That's hard, isn't it?
That's 2 half chokes.
Yeah.
That.
Oh, it's empty.
Is it? It's like old times. You've done that before. Do you remember when you did that on your triple?
Yeah.
Or the potential triple, let's say. Nowhere near that first barrel. They're like turning down on that wind, aren't they?
Yeah.
The line is key on this day for sure. No, I think we're gonna have to go tidy the pattern. We had to. That had a really nice line as well. Yeah. Oh,
Dig it up.
I missed it, yeah.
Come on.
Today's hide snack of the day is the garage's very finest Bakewell tarts.
Oh, good second barrel. Fucking cracking second barrel it was. Nice. It's out there, isn't it?
That's a long way out, isn't it?
That whack that stone dead.
Double tap. Oh,
Horrible line. Isn't it? Mood. I tell you what, hard shooting today.
they're not doing what you think they're doing. Look at it. He's just put his head back up like, what?
Yeah, I don't need to tell for this.
No, it's like a little bat. Oh, come on, double. Oh. Shit, his band.
Wind
Send back. Just look messy.
Do I reload? Oh. That was quick.
Yeah, very difficult actually. Certainly one of the most challenging days, I'd say. So yeah, not a bad day shooting. We finished on 46 corvids picked, and we was happy with that. The farmer will be happy. We kept them off the crop for a day. There's a few less in the area. It was a tricky day, and it was some good sport. You know, we had some good tricky shooting. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll catch you next week. A massive thank you to everyone who makes these videos possible, and thank you to you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and click the like button if you want to see more content like this. Stay tuned for new videos every Tuesday, and finally check out the new Field Sports with Speed merchandise to help support the channel. Link is in the description below. Catch you on the next video.